Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on my YouTube channel. We will talk about 7 defective catalytic converters. The catalytic converter is a device located in the exhaust system of a car. The catalytic converter consists of a catalyst that helps convert the car's pollutant gases into less harmful pollutants. The structure of the catalytic converter has the look of a honeycomb. A catalytic converter sits between your engine and the muffler in your exhaust. Its main job is to reduce emissions from your car to protect the environment. This metal canister is filled with a chemical catalyst which converts gas emissions in your exhaust system so they're either decreased or eliminated. A bad catalytic converter will give off higher emissions than allowed by the state. They are the most common ones. Here is a more detailed list of the signs of a bad or clogged catalytic converter to look for. Number 1. Decreased engine performance. A clogged catalytic converter prevents the smooth passage of airflow through your exhaust system. The exhaust buildup in your vehicle will likely cause your vehicle to lose some of its performance. This might manifest itself in the form of sluggish acceleration when you press down on the gas pedal. In the worst cases, your car may not even start properly. Number 2. Poor gas mileage. This bad catalytic converter symptom is tied to the decrease in performance. As your catalytic converter fails and becomes clogged, it will trap exhaust in the vehicle's engine. If your car is getting much worse gas mileage than you're used to, something is definitely going wrong, and it could be the catalytic converter. Chances that your cat is to blame are especially high if the decrease in gas mileage seems very sudden. Number 3. Rattling noises. When your vehicle starts to rattle, it's telling you that something is wrong. When the catalytic converter is rattling, it will get loud as soon as the car starts. This means that the small components inside your catalytic converter have come loose and are tumbling around in there. If you hear a rattling noise and notice some of the other signs of a bad cat, you will most likely know what the problem is. Number 4. Unusual exhaust. Since the catalytic converter is supposed to help eliminate harmful emissions, you might start to notice unusual exhaust once the cat can no longer do its job. If you notice the smell of sulfur, which many people compare to rotten eggs, coming from your exhaust, that's a sign. The same can be said for dark exhaust smoke. If you notice those things, it's almost definitely a bad catalytic converter. Number 5. Your check engine light is on. It's never good when you see that particular light go on, so we always recommend taking your vehicle in for maintenance as soon as possible. It could point to a variety of problems, some of which are extremely serious. Your Phoenix mechanic can run a diagnostic exam of the vehicle to determine if a bad cat is to blame. Number 6. Starting issues. If the catalytic converter is clogged, the engine will get too much fuel that the engine cannot burn. It will also create back pressure which will cause the engine to struggle to get rid of the exhaust fumes. Number 7. Discolored housing. If you see that the catalytic converter's housing has turned blue or some other color, it could mean that the catalytic converter is clogged and is creating excessive heat. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. The next video. Stay healthy.